Hey guys, I hope you're having a wonderful day and making some really good trades. And yeah, let's just get into it. Get into some TA right now. Bitcoin's making another attempt to break through the $39,000 resistance. Yesterday during our live stream, we entered our short from 38,600. Obviously it was like a really small short, and we just lost $8 on it. Our challenge account still sitting at $1,000 flat now, so we lost our $8. Our little bonus profit, but yeah, look, things are looking good. And this video is basically going to be about explaining how we got 1,000% return in 3 months. So for those of you who are new to the channel, back in May we started a challenge where I was going to attempt to trade with $100 and trade my way to 1,000. So that is 1,000% return. So $100 to $1,000, right? So 100 to 1,000, and then we added another 0 and we made 1,000. And anyways, basically we were able to achieve this by using leverage and trading with the crypto market, because it's very volatile, and if you know where the trends are going to go, and if you can anticipate market movements, then it makes it very easy. And we used market cipher to achieve these trades, so we were able to get 1,000% return. We're going to take you through a couple of trades that really made the account. I talked about it on the live stream yesterday, but we're going to talk about some more today. Really going to explain you what trades I did and what trades I used to to make some really good gains. So we'll just get into it right now. So right here, I think our first trade for Bitcoin was maybe around this area, where the price came back down to this green box right here. And then we entered like a small gain, I believe, maybe like 100%, which is a lot. From, I think we used like maybe $100 with 10 leverage, and we were able to make like 100%. I exited my position around this area, and then from there on, we were waiting. We broke down. Looks like I entered a small long around this area, made a couple percents, not too much, maybe 25%, something like that. And then when the price came back down to retest, sorry, we'll just zoom out. It's easier to see on the 1 hour for this chart right here. So we'll just zoom in right here. We used our technical analysis and market cipher as a confirmation, because the market cipher during that time, it actually indicated a market reversal that was coming. So we were able to enter our short position. Loaded on the 4 hour, so it's easier to see. So on the 4 hour, we entered our short right here. When we got that red diamond confirmation and it was hitting resistance, I entered my short at 57,300, and from there on we made an amazing gain of over 300, I think it was 300% or 270% in one trade. So the price fell over 16, I think it fell all the way down to 20%, but we closed our trade at 16%, and I believe at the time we were using 15 leverage or something like that, 20 leverage. I'm not too sure what the math works up to now. Let me just pull out my calculator, make sure I'm not just saying random numbers out into the open. But yeah, I'm pretty sure we made over 200% during that trade. Let's see here. Where's my calculator? Huh. I don't know where I put my calculator. Oh well. Alright, yeah. You know what? We'll just leave it at that. Anyways, moving on. We could see here after that, the price fell some more again. I think we entered another small short, made around 50%, and then as we were making our gain, as our balance was increasing, we're trading with more capital. I decided to lower my leverage for good risk management, and then the price fell once again all the way down to 31,000, and from here we entered a long at 31,300, I believe, and then from there we rode it up all the way to 28% in profit. We're using 5 leverage, so it made over 125% in one trade. That was a really good trade, and then we proceeded to reverse back down. And then we took you know, we not gonna lie, we did take some losses along the way. At one point, we used a little bit too much leverage and took some losses, so we ended up losing some on the account, but not to worry, because we were still over in like 600% profit. And then we decided to put another buy order here, I believe, when we entered at 35,000. Rode this up, I believe, all the way to like 13% profit. Closed the trade. And I think we waited for a while. I think we made a couple trades here, but they weren't really big amounts. I lost on one trade here, I believe. I thought we were going to break out, and we ended up breaking down, so it hit our stop loss. And right here was the final trade that we did. Sorry, let me move this chart. It's not there. Right here was the final trade that we did that brought us to our 1,000% gain. So we entered in at 29,000 with 29,800, and then we rode it all the way up to 35,500, and we cashed out at 20% profit with more than 100% gain on that last trade. And then we were able to get our 1,000% gain after 3 months of trading, which is quite remarkable. Now, some people can tell you like, oh, that's nothing, I make that in a day. I can almost guarantee you that those people lose more than they win, because they use way too much leverage and they get wrecked all the time. And what you want to do is do it properly with good risk management, and don't use too much leverage, and you'll get your 1,000% gain guaranteed. And right now, we're going to start off our new $1,000 to $10,000 challenge. We're going to trade our way to $10,000 using the $1,000 that we've made during the last challenge. So if you guys want to come on this journey and watch my videos, you're more than welcome to. It's going to be fun. I'm going to have a blast. If you haven't joined the Discord, you should definitely join the Discord. I post all my trades for Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, Ethereum. When I trade it, I post my trades to document it, to show you that it's all legit, and then I have made the gains. So yeah, you know, it's been quite a run. So thank you everyone for your support. It's been awesome. Really happy we were able to make 1,000%. People keep sending me that this is life-changing, because you know they themselves have been following my trades, and they've been able to achieve over 100% in gains, like hundreds, 200, 500% in gains. People are making amazing trades. So yeah, really happy, guys. Thank you so much for your support. Everyone that followed my trades, congratulations. You deserve all your gains. Right now it looks like Bitcoin's breaking out, and we had an amazing trade yesterday. Yeah, we closed it a little bit early. We closed it right before the pump technically, but you know, I'm not even worried, because the market will always be there. You will always be able to trade. If you miss out on one trade, there's nothing to worry, because there's always the next trade that you can get. Right? There's always another trade. Anyways, you guys have a wonderful day. Make some really good trades. Don't use too much leverage. The Bybit link is in the description if you want to join me for the next 1,000% challenge. It's going to be amazing. Anyways, love you guys. Peace.